how to change your username and your name on X or Twitter. So first you want to click on the More button and then click on Settings and Privacy. Then select your account, and under your account tab, click on Access or Account Information. This usually will require you to re-enter your password to confirm the access to this page. And once you do that, you want to click on the username and then simply pick a username that you want to use. So for example, this one right here, and then click on the Save button to change your username. Otherwise, it should tell you it's unavailable if it's already taken. Now, to change your name, you should go to your profile and then click on Edit Profile. And then simply you can type a new name right here. For example, like this. And then you can type a bio if you want to and a location. And then you can simply press the Save button. You can also update your birth date from here if you want to. And once you press Save, the changes should be applied to your profile. And once you refresh it, you should be able to see your new name and your new username. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.